Alright, now since we have the garlic all sealed away in each one of these little slots that we put in here, then we want to season this with salt. We're going to do this on each side now. The garlic cloves were just on the top, but you'll see we'll go ahead and liberally season it. Don't have to worry about too much salt in this, because it's going to roast really nicely. So just like that. Grab your pepper. Again, you can be liberal with this. And then garlic powder. Don't use garlic salt now because we've got plenty of salt in there. And you can kind of just move this around. If you got a shaker top, even better. But you can just do this because we're going to rub this right in. Just really just push it right into the meat. Remember, it's got this fat cap on here, so when this starts to melt, all of this will melt down into the meat and just be delicious. So we'll do the same with the other side.